you're full.
Yeah.
And you're still eating. That's when you know you're greedy.
Uh-huh.
Like, that's when the food is too good to the point where you can't stop.
Holy
When
smart.
you know you're supposed to stop.
And look how long you waited for that.
Yeah, you almost waited in their lifetime.
Yeah,
but it was worth it.
It was worth the wait?
Worth it. It was worth the wait.
Wow.
Listen, God said it here. It doesn't make sense that you have to travel to a country that doesn't specialize in this type of food to get that type of food. That good.
Wow.
That's
big compliments right there. That's boom.
you know.
This is my crew from Jamaica, America, everybody. That's my boy over here. He brought him in. He just bring him in and just stuff him with food, right? Oh, yeah, man. And this is good. This is a nice food. Hey, tell him about the ginger beer. Look at his face was messed up. Now look at it.
He came in hurting. I'm gonna say, yo, you need a ginger beer to settle your stomach.
Right.
He drink the ginger beer, he feel like a new man. He was just sick.
I regular cup. And he was smiling. Look at his face now.
It's about 8 ounces right here. 8 ounces, and he's good.
He's good right now.
It's amazing. Doesn't make no sense.
Hey guys, you guys, thanks for the patience, man. You guys waited.
It's worth the wait.
Yeah.
If it wasn't for the women,
Yeah, thank you, man. you know, that's why I was telling you guys, I don't mess with everybody. Now you guys gonna be on my Facebook page.
I'm following.
You're gonna find me up on there.
That thing don't make no sense.
You gotta come.
We in DR eating Jamaican food and enjoying it. Like,
Yeah, and the boom.
That don't make no damn sense.
Jamaican. Wow. I lie. You holy smart. Hey, Fireman, what you have to say about the ginger beer now? Good.
The tune's good, the food's good.
Chessman.
The vibe's good.
Vibration nice. Everything good. Yeah, that's the late night crew right here. Late.
I just had you on Facebook just now.
All right.
5 stars.
Okay, good. All right, good. These guys will have a lot of patience. They waited. I wasn't going to cook for them.